Hey besties, how are you? I hope you're all doing good. It's your girl Mercy here, and today I'm taking you through my Sunday reset. Everything to do with skincare, gym, cleanliness. So if you love this kind of self-care, non-aesthetic routine, you better stay tuned. So let's dive direct into this video. So I usually wake up at 9 o'clock on Sundays. I don't touch my phone immediately, and that has really helped me. I wake up, stretch, just breathe, and just reset my mind and reconnect before touching my phone. That was a very bad habit. I used to wake up in the morning and the first thing I do is touch my phone, check who followed me, who unfollowed me, likes and all that stuff. So nowadays I just wake up and I don't touch my phone. First thing I do is I make my bed. Something about starting with a clean space just sets the tone for the whole day. So please make your bed. And then I go next to checking my journal. I always journal before I go to bed. I do a daily recap. So when I wake up in the morning, I also read my journal and just read the past journals that I did and see what I wrote and where I was in mindset and my mood. I always write that on my journal, and that's something that has helped me because I am kind of an overthinker. I think a lot. I overthink a lot. I'm trying to put my thoughts in the journal, that is, and that is really helping me to regulate my thoughts. So if you don't journal or if you don't write things on your notebook or anything, it's a good way to start doing that, because I have really started doing that and I think it's helping me because I read my thoughts and I'm like, oh yeah, really nice. Let's get into skincare because this is my favorite part. And the first thing I do is I use my cleanser. I'm using the Kiehl's cleanser. Then I go next to my clay mask. I've started using this clay mask just on Sundays. I use it every week on Sundays, and I just let it dry while I do my laundry. Yes, I have to do laundry because I have not done laundry for the whole week. So today is when I do my laundry. After my clay mask has dried up, I wash it up with the warm water and I go in with my serum. I'm using this serum. Then I go in with the same moisturizer, the same company. I've started trying this product. It's a new product that I bought. I'm trying it on my face. Then the next thing is I do my SPF. Then start getting ready for gym, honey. Today it's really cold outside. I'm wearing a shirt, but also going to wear a sweatpant on top because before I get out, and then I wear a jacket because it's really cold. Then I can go and remove my sweatpant when I get to the gym because sometimes it's really freezing. It's UK, it's really freezing. But in the gym, I just do my stretching. Today is Sunday reset. I don't push myself so hard on Sundays, so I'm gonna be doing just little workouts that my body is just in a relaxed mode. I don't push myself so bad. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just looking to stretch my body and just move my body today, especially on Sundays, because most of the time I lift heavy during weekdays and I want to have like a day that I can do maybe little weights and just stretching and just a little bit of cardio, like to just keep my body rhythm going on, because I go to the gym like 2 to 3 times. But gymming is really nice. So if you get the rhythm, if you get used to the gym, you just have to be consistent and then you start seeing results. So if you're a girl out there and you want to change your body before 2026, honey, start gymming right now and start eating healthy and you start seeing results. So keep working out, keep the simple reps. So I smile and just do the little things that you feel you like doing on Sundays. You don't need to do hard things. And if you don't know what to do, just check some of these things on TikTok and you can see some of the things you can do, how to lift properly. So I love being in the gym. Gym is like my baby, my first baby. I love being here.
Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home.
Because it's just after a good sweat, and I love it. So one thing with me is that most of the time I don't have lunch after gym. It's because when I go to the gym really late, like around 12 o'clock, I tend to come out of the gym around 2 o'clock because I pass by a supermarket and buy some stuff. So I tend not to eat, just have a coffee or tea, and then just come and run my errands, come do my weekly stuff, finish my editing, if I'm going to post stuff. So because I usually been preparing for my dinner, because today is Sunday, we're having roast dinner, of course. So I'll be cooking a whole chicken as a roast dinner. So that is quite a big dish for the family. So I tend not to eat so that I can prepare myself to have my roast Sunday. And of course, I hung all the clothes because the clothes are still washing. I've done the first load. I've hung the first load of the clothes, so the rest are still washing. I'll hang them slowly as I go by, as the day go by. As I cook, I can still be doing it because like I have like 3 loads of clothes. Yeah, I know. Family is big, so I have to do all that. That's what my Sunday haul involves. I'll be I'll be editing my videos, and I'll just be editing my videos, and then around maybe 5 o'clock, 6ish, I'll go prepare my roast dinner. I may take you with you guys to see my dinner, my roast dinner, how I prepare it, how I moisturize my chicken, how I moisturize, how I marinate my chicken, but it's just marinating chicken and then doing the potatoes. Nowadays, I'm very good. Yeah, I've been taught well. I love cooking roast dinner. I love cooking roast so much because it's a bit easier anyway to cook. Like this kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share to the best friends, and let's connect on the comment section, guys. Comment, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know what routine you want me to do next.